Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachos and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. And for now, we'll start with today's news. On my mandatory spirit today, they call Charlie Watts. Don't come as I call they talk about that Granit Xhaka challenge on Diogo Jota. We make a collect red card. So Baba Kanto said that challenge was a very stupid challenge, saying a typical Granit Xhaka. So you know, say the man did there. So you're supposed to know better. Say as it stand now, say Xhaka they cost Arsenal more and more points. He make Arsenal sell and come on for the team. As in Baba just the para. I know say this guy na Arsenal journalist. But I say this is enough as I will Baba talk plenty. Say make them sell Granit Xhaka. Even though Xhaka said best, get some people they talk say make they leave him, saying just take one for the team, saying just sacrifice himself. You know, plenty talking points. A lot of people they for the firing of Saka, some they for people they still leave him, so we still need them. Well, everything now Arteta hand in the Arteta now go take the final decision. So move the watch as everything will for the pan out. At the same time, for the match where Aston play against Liverpool, so reports don't get and say Ben White now be the man of the match because now he make the most tackles, now he make the most interceptions, a lot of area headers. You know, the guy now overall defender for that match. He played very well. And you know, so when the side this guy people they talk say the guy know they good enough, this and that. But see the way the guy don't improve massively now. As in, don't form a powerful partnership with Gabriel Magalhaes for that rock of defense. We're very happy with this guy. At least our 50 million no waste. But at the same time, Melo don't hold meeting with Massimiliano Allegri, will be the coach of Juventus. Don't let him say, Papa, I beg. I would like to move out on loan to Arsenal. You know, just seek for his blessing, making even permission, say make him move. So after the meeting, our monetary spirit when they let us know say Juventus don't grant Melo in request. So Melo don't prepare to fly to London anytime soon to come complete in loan deal. Highest you can do in medical. So Arsenal go pay in wages. So the guy they collect like £80,000 per week. So Arsenal go pay the loan fee, pay in wages, so that go come join Arsenal for Emirates anytime soon. And so we dey hear. So we expect them to arrive. But at the same time, Arsenal don't apply to the EPFL board. So they would like to postpone the match against Tottenham Hotspur where they go play on Sunday because they get a lot of people go AFCON and they get many people they under COVID. They can't get plenty injuries, so they don't get the mandatory number of players because the rule states you need to have at least 13 outfield players with a goalkeeper for you to be qualified to play a match. So Arsenal they let them know so we don't get up to this required amount of players to play this match. So you know will make sense because I talk someone could play them. I beg you're gonna help us postpone them. And what give Arsenal the ball runner because the match between Burnley and Leicester postpone after Burnley self make the same request say we don't get enough player because of injuries, AFCON and COVID-19. So the EPL board can say okay no yawa we don't postpone on a match. So now we give Arsenal the ginger, the morale, say okay if themselves do the same thing so the board will sanction. And so the board don't at all announce and say we have received a proposal from Arsenal. Say they won't postpone their match, say they will let Arsenal know how far on Saturday. So now by Saturday we will know how far what it will solve, whether they will postpone. That is today. They will give us updates whether the match they will play tomorrow it will go on. I mean it will go on. So now so just we know say Arsenal don't they depleted, we don't get any midfielder apart from this Lokonga Charlie Patino. Even Arsenal said don't recall Miguel Aziz from a loan deal to come back to Arsenal because in case they force us to play this match, they will go for use maybe Aziz and Sambi Lokonga. I don't know how they want to do it, but they will carry Ben White for there. So they wait for EPL board to let us know their decision. At the same time, after Arsenal don't request for the postponement of the match, so Spurs hierarchy and their coach can come outside the para say Arsenal they do why you say make them play this match, make them play like that. Say Arsenal no get COVID-19 crisis. Say it is just injuries and AFCON. Say she not them talk say make them send their players go AFCON. She not them talk say make players get injuries. They no get COVID-19 crisis. Say the EPL board supposed to force Arsenal to play the match because the law states that it is only when you have COVID-19 crisis that they will postpone match. Not be when you get injuries and when you get AFCON players because Tottenham Hotspur say this is the perfect opportunity for Arsenal to come. But then knock Arsenal back. You get take advantage of the situation. So we never know how it go turn out. Waiting the EPL board to talk. Anything they talk, and today they will talk out, so we will know our fate. At the same time, pundits like Jamie Carragher and Gary Neville come outside of media set when they talk about this issue. They come debate and say, should we make the EPL board give Arsenal green light for that postponement proposal? Say, okay, we go postpone on a match. Have you made them force them to play? So some of them agree, say make them force Arsenal to play because Arsenal won't cheat the system. Say Arsenal no get COVID-19 crisis. The same way Tottenham was for hierarchy they talk. So we no get COVID-19 crisis. We just want to take advantage of the situation. Say make them force us to play. We could put our under 23 boys there where they play. No, they don't. I don't know. This is they don't get sympathy at all. They just they talk plenty. But me, I dey confident say the board they go postpone this thing. That's EPL board. See they go postpone it because anything make them fit postpone Leicester and Burnley. They will fit postpone them again, you get. And even that Leicester and Burnley, when they hear saying that the second time when they postpone the match, you get. And this is the first time we Burnley serve the rights to the board. Say I beg make them postpone all match. Now other people they right make them postpone them. So I just believe say Arsenal ourselves they will postpone them. Oh my dear football lovers, if you do watch our show and you never subscribe, make you subscribe so that you will get all the latest videos, updates of Arsenal when we drop. So that whenever we drop the video, YouTube will send you notifications say new video don't drop or new updates. We drop a breaking news. If you never subscribe to our show, how you will get them? You get. So that's the most important. Anytime we go live, if you never subscribe, how you go tell you so we don't do live. So make you subscribe to our show so that you will get all the latest updates as they drop. We don't want to make you miss any updates. So I beg when I subscribe so our community will grow. Surprise, they don't leave Auba out of Ghana match where they play against Gabon. You see Ghana and Gabon play 1-1. So what's Auba supposed to play this match? So what's mean they can't leave them out? They say they do scans, they can't check saying get suspected heart problem. So they can't leave them out as a precaution. That's why if you check social media, everybody they talk gets well soon, Auba, gets well soon, Auba. I mean, I can't the one that say, I'm trying to get well soon, Auba. What's him doing? I can't go do the research now. I can't find out say they do scan for the guys. So after I don't come out for that in COVID. Don't find out get suspected heart problem, so we never know that you don't do verifiable say in get heart disease like Aguero. We make Aguero come retire happy whether you know get, so we never really know. In the coming days we go dey clearer. So I beg when I dey pray for Aubameyang go. On my marital spirit that they call Republica Calcio Mercato don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal don't submit £58.5 million offer for Vlahovic. And you know, say Fiorentina herself, they want a replacement of Vlahovic. They want to sign Julian Alvarez from River Plate. So you know, say Fiorentina now don't talk say the amount they will want for Vlahovic now. They don't want a loan deal. They don't want maybe you go pay now, come pay later. They want a cash front. They don't want add-ons. They just want pure cash, £58 million. You get. Then you and the player will go discuss in salary, and you and the agent will discuss in wages, agent wages. So Arsenal don't agree say okay, we won't pay this amount. So don't tender the offer already. Sure, this one don't show say Arsenal really see this guy as their number one striker. Like they did desperate to really sign him. But I won't be say I just pray say at the end of the day we forget the guy. Forget the guy, no doubt though. Forget the guy. He's going to be good because he's still 21. He can grow with the team. But this desperation, £58 million. Now don't send. Well, Fiorentina never respond because no other club said they reason the matter. Say they won't even sign the guy. So now only Arsenal for the race because Fiorentina don't they resign now. So okay, we are willing to lose this guy. So we won't lose him. We'll just collect the bag because the guy don't want to sign contract extension. So what's the point? If they waste time and reach another transfer window will be at the end of the season now. You see this £58 million, so Arsenal offer for him, it will come down like a pack of cards. That's why Arsenal don't offer them the money. So we'll wait for their reply. We'll see what will solve. At the same time, Rio Ferdinand will be Manchester United legend. Come outside for pundit duty. Because they talk about Arsenal transfer. So the back on talk say instead of Arsenal to kill themselves for this Vlahovic, so why not make them go for Sebastian Haller of Ajax? Because the guy they bust net like mad. See the photos go for this guy. He's still a young boy. He can still help them. Play down to the key yourself for this Florentina. We say at the end of the day, if you don't sign the guy, well, that's why I say Arsenal don't need desperate. If they don't get any positive signals, then nobody send money all the time. Nobody did this desperate because I know say waiting Florentina they find at this £58 million, and as Arsenal don't match that transfer fee, and they hope say the next thing we do then and make him with the agents discuss because say you don't match the transfer fee or you don't submit an offer, it no mean say the guy don't agree to come. You see that convince the guy, let him know say this is the best place for him because you know if you just come and after 1 year or 2 years then you can't say when they come out again. No, it no go make sense. So if you don't come, you don't come. So that's why you don't want make any mistake. You want to be very, very careful. If you say Vlahovic, no lie, You be very, very careful. Check out all your options. And so you just be well. Just the hope say at the end of the day, Arsenal will get their man. But if they know if you get their man, we then look for alternatives because there's no time. Martin Keown will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come as I to talk about this Granit Xhaka matter. So back on to say Granit Xhaka they cost Arsenal plenty games. So what he did was a very stupid thing to do. This is the second person who classify what Granit Xhaka do as a very stupid thing now. So Babacon sort of say what he do, it no make sense. Xhaka na person will say every manager they like to play. So and we need an explanation from Xhaka. May come as I can let us know why he do what he do, because sometimes we just make some kind of rash decisions, in they get lapses of judgment, you get most times, and they very good because they make insane, they suffer, they make us go down. Fine, he has come out to apologize, but when will all these things end? About talk plenty. Get some other people say we talk some more bad things about Xhaka. I know if you can't talk for air. Somebody just leave down like that. Even Gallagher said don't come and say I can't chook mouth for this Granit Xhaka matter. So Baba can't say Granit Xhaka a very nice player. A player will say it will help you many times, and every manager will like to use him. But the only problem when you get they say he is very bad. Is a liability. A person will say Arsenal need to sell him if they want to move forward. They need to look for another replacement for Xhaka. Look for somebody who will become partner Partey. Moving forward, so Xhaka not be the right partnership because 9 out of 10 times this guy go collect red card, go collect suspension. The yellow card now water for wearing the collect red card like mad. Ever since we Arsenal bring in Mikel Arteta to Arsenal, see Arsenal they don't collect the highest red card, 13 red cards above every other club. And if you check those red cards, Xhaka get majority of them. So it did very bad. So make Arsenal look for a new replacement for this guy. So if you know what yesterday's show, just check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click and so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop. No one make you miss any single update, because yesterday update and today update might not be the same. Things they change rapidly. So now so it just be. So it's actually signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.